Okay, so with the DEWALT 20V circular saw, to install the blade, what you're going to do is, see this thing that's spinning? To stop it from spinning, to take out the screw, the nut, you have to hold on to this button here. Okay, you hold that down, it'll lock this up. It'll lock this from spinning, and then you're able to use the Allen tool that's provided to turn that, and then you can change, then you can put this in, right? So remember, press this button here to lock it, and then you can install the blade. So tighten is turn left. See how it's spinning? So you hold on to this button here, and then it locks it in place, and then you can tighten it. And there you go. That's how you do that.